Today's our topic is emerging startup in artificial intelligence and data analytics in healthcare sector. So here we begin. So healthcare startup focusing on artificial intelligence face a unique combination of challenges in order to be successful. The recent pandemic has accelerated adoption of novel and innovative technologies such as artificial intelligence, but numerous barriers can limit the progress of entrepreneurs in the space. The commentary looks at several special challenges to consider that the impact artificial intelligence healthcare startup. So, for the basic understanding, let us begin. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the stimulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of artificial intelligence include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. In a simple language, we can say AI, which stands for the artificial intelligence, which refer to system or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks and can improve themselves based on the information they collect. So, there are mainly four types of artificial intelligence. According to the current of classification, there are four primary artificial intelligence types. First, reactive, second, limited memory, third, theory of mind, self, and fourth, self-aware. First, reactive. It has no memory and only responds to different stimulations. But the second is limited memory. It uses memory to learn and improve its responses. Third, theory of mind. It understands the need of other intelligent entities. Fourth, self-aware. It has human-like intelligence and self-aware. Next slide, we will talk about role of artificial intelligence in healthcare. So there are mainly on the screen we can see there are two role of healthcare I have written, but there are more than that. But the two main important point I will talk about is early detection and treatment. As early detection, artificial intelligence is already being used to detect diseases such as cancer more accurately and in their early stages. According to the American Cancer Society, a high population of mammograms yield false results, leading to that one or two healthy women being told that they have a cancer. But the use of artificial intelligence is enabling review and transmission of mammograms 30 times faster with 99% of accuracy, which needs the which reduces the need of unnecessary biopsies. Also, using of artificial intelligence for digital retinopathy screening will allow non-clinicians to be trained and non-retinal imaging. And next is treatment. So artificial intelligence system has been created to analyze the data which and reports and from a patient file external research and clinical expertise to help they select the correct individually customized treatment health. The technologies such as geomics and all artificial intelligence are gradually loading to three major different decisions. But as we all know that robots have been used in medicines for more than 30 years, surgical robots that can either did a human surgeon or execute operations by themselves. They are also in hospitals and labs for repetitive tasks in rehabilitation, physical therapy, and in support of those with long-term conditions. Next, we will talk about what is data analytics. Data analytics is the process of examining data sets in order to find trends and draw conclusions about the information they contain. Increasingly, data analytics is done with the aid of specialized systems and software. So, moving to next we will talk about the growing role of the healthcare data analyst. Health data analysts take the healthcare data being collected and use skills such as data acquisition, data management, data analysis, and data interpretations to provide actionable insights. The role of big data in healthcare and the increasing need for improvement in the healthcare sector has led to the higher demand for qualified health data analysts. Now we will talk upon the startups that are transforming healthcare with the AI. There are not only 106, but there are more than that. So, first we will talk about Apollo Pharmacy. Apollo Pharmacy is an e-commerce company for pharmaceutical products. Apollo Pharmacy is a part of Apollo Hospitals. It is India's trusted pharmacy. It is India's first and largest branded pharmacy network with over 4,500 outlets. It has been founded in January 1, 2016. The founders of company is Pratap Chandra Reddy. The total funding amount is rupees 5.3 billion. Their investors are Abwood Capital, Anam Holdings, and Hemendra Kothari. It has more than 5,000 products in various categories like vitamins and supplements, baby care, personal care, health, nutrition, foods, and OTC. In addition to this, they have more than 400 Apollo brand products in the following categories like vitamins and supplements, health, food, and oral care, etc. It also provides customer care any time of the day. As per the news, not latest, but as per the news and latest, Amazon is repeatedly eyeing on $100 million investment in the Apollo pharmacy chain, further expanding its healthcare plan. Moving to next, I took the second company was iBloom.ai. iBloom.ai was founded by Koldia Kiret, and it was founded in 2002. It is the latest startup company and it is located in Bangalore. iBloom is an artificial intelligence preventive healthcare and commerce platform startup founded by healthcare professionals. Imagine one day artificial intelligence will predict your disease risk like cancers and send mobile checkup van at your home at nearly zero cost to you. That's what iBloom.ai is doing with the help of technologies and business model innovations. So the next is MediBuddy. MediBuddy is a digital healthcare platform for inpatient hospitalization, outpatient services, and corporate wellness benefits. It is located in Bangalore, India, and its total funding amount is $192.1 million. Some of the investors are recent ones, and some of the investors' names are India's Life Science Fund, Rebright Partners, Lightrock, Alternia Capital, Innovent Capital, and Team Fund. It was founded in 2020. The founders of MediBuddy is Satish Kannan. The MediBuddy has raised total of $192.1 million funding over 6 rounds. The fastest funding was raised on February 21, 2022 from a services Series C round. It was funded by 15 investors and it was located in Bangalore, Karnataka. And yeah. The next company we will talk about CureFit. CureFit is a health and fitness company offering digital and offline experience across the fitness, nutrition, and mental health. CureFit was located in Bangalore. CureFit has raised total of $624.6 billion in funding over 11 rounds. The latest funding was raised on November 10, 2021 from a Series F round. CureFit is funded by 38 investors and Mukesh Bansal and South Park Commons are the most recent investors. CureFit has made 2 investments. Their most recent investment was on September 2, 2021 when SugarFit raised rupees 730 million. And CureFit has also accused 14 organizations. The most recent accusation was Gold Gym. It was on Feb 14, 2022. As we all know that after COVID, many companies have been raised, and CureFit is one among them. Next is our data analytics startups. There are more startups. There are many startups companies like Heal, Unveil, Element, Keep, Dispatch, etc. So the company which I choose in data analyst is Wheel. Wheel is a healthcare technology company that brings together the tech infrastructures and clinicians to power virtual care and telehealth. It is basically located in Austin, United States. It was founded in 2018 January. The founders of Wheel are Griffin Mulche and Mikhail Deve. It provides companies and clinicians with everything they need to deliver with care, literally. Today, Wheel powers virtual first care for the most funded forward-thinking organization in healthcare, including digital health companies. Wheel has raised a total of $215.6 million, which funded over 5 rounds. Their latest funding was raised on January 19, 2022 from Series C round. Wheel is funded by 9 investors. Salesforce Venture and Lightspeed Venture Partners are the most recent ones. So next slide. In investment in artificial intelligence. According to the research firm Allied Market Research, the artificial intelligence in market medicine was valued at $719 million in 2017 and is expected to reach $18,119 million at the end of 2025. One analysis has found that the use of artificial intelligence applications could result in approximately $150 billion in saved healthcare costs annually by 2026 in the USA. All know that COVID-19 pandemic has uh, play a major role in everyone's life, but it has the highest investment in the sector in the last 5 years. Pandemic expands opportunities as private equity pours $584 million into healthcare in 2021, as sensing a huge opportunity in the healthcare sector during the COVID-19 pandemic and its aftermath private equity. In this slide, we will discuss the healthcare startups and their special challenges. First, the significant increase in healthcare investor funding over the last few years, with over $20 million invested through 3 quarters of 2021 alone. It has attracted a large number of companies using artificial intelligence to offer solutions in a variety of settings. Second, the explainability of any novel machine learning algorithm or artificial intelligence model can be difficult to articulate to design makers and end users who are accustomed to have a deep understanding of the medical science. Third, many startups still fall to incorporate clinical expertise on frontline provider feedback into product design and development early in the process. So, at the end, we can all have a basic understanding on artificial intelligence and data science healthcare startup. Thank you. Thank you for listening.